Hello friends, today we will discuss how to find the unit vector and how the possibilities of for this unit vector and the perpendicular vector too. Find the unit vector u in the direction of v is equals to 3 comma 4. That is this is the direction. That means that we have to find out the unit vector and in which direction. The direction is given by the vector v is equals to 3 comma 4. Find the unit vector u also that is perpendicular to this unit vector. Firstly we find unit vector u in the direction of this, and secondly we find this unit vector what is the perpendicular unit vector capital U. Okay, and how many possibilities for the this unit vector, perpendicular unit vector. For a unit vector we know that u is equals to what is u, v upon u upon norm of u, but we will find off in the direction of this, so divide v by its length norm of v, right? So for a perpendicular vector v, capital V, we can choose minus 4 comma 3. That means that we can choose minus 4 comma 3. It is a perpendicular vector because of 3 comma 4. When we take 3 comma 4 it is v, and minus of v it is minus 4 comma 3. This is the perpendicular vector. This is the perpendicular vector, right? Because of perpendicular it is shows by if v dot v is equals to 0, then it is say that this vector is perpendicular to this vector, right? So 3 dot minus 4 and plus 4 dot 3 which is equals to 0. So this implies that this capital V is the unit vector of this capital V is the perpendicular vector of small v, right? For a unit vector capital U, what we have to find secondly, the capital U. Now we will find the capital U for capital V, perpendicular vectors, right? So capital U is given by v upon norm of v, which is minus 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. Because of minus 4 by 4 comma 3, and the norm of v is, what is norm of v, which is equals to under root 16 plus 9, this is 5, right? So minus 4 by 5, 3 by 5. So this implies that u dot capital U is equals to 0. How many possibilities for this capital U? There is only one possibility. This is minus of u, 4 by 5 and minus 3 by 5.